So we have tracks here. So they filled this up with ballast. These are just disused, abandoned tracks. Nothing to get too excited about. They're going to put in a siding here and like that. So, but the ballast just ends on the corner there, and the rest of it's just kind of a swamp-like conditions. It's kind of heavily overgrown. There was an actual swamp in there, so that's probably like that for over a century or so. So the only infrastructure I have is down here, the bridge over the railway. So that dates back to 1844. So there's no intermediate station, so it was just pulled down and brought back up again. So, but there was an atmospheric pump house around here somewhere. I think it was near where that house was. Sorry, I forgot to mention that in my previous video. The abandoned house, that's where the atmospheric house was. So it's in there. Yeah, it's in there as the bridge. Ideally you should be looking at this in winter time, even though it'll be freezing around here, but you used to get a proper view of the portal of the tunnel of the bridge. We have the metals. So it's actually down here the last train came out in 1854, and then you have the existing double line. Just around the corner is Glenageary station. So you have a contrast of the double line and the mound of clay that would have built up, and then beyond that is the old terminus. So there's plenty of heritage around here. That was a gatekeeper's house, so this road would have existed during the metal days. We'll just look back. So there you go, there's the terminus of the atmospheric line, just ahead. So it would have been just a wooden structure, it wouldn't have been anything spectacular. And yeah, but still a historic. You'd have to go to England. Starcross in England, Newton Abbot, particularly Starcross, there's more significant remnants over there of the atmospheric line, and that's where Brunel would have came over and seen this line in action. So this house is built over the line. Former track bed on the left, and the line would have come out here. So I guess this wall must date from the building of the line. So down there is the former track bed. It's now a garden. Let's see if we can see a little bit here. Yeah, just down there is the former track bed, and then that kind of junction, in inverted commas, for the main line. Okay, thank you for watching. Onwards to Dundleary.